Hi guys, how you doing? This is Rob, Thomas Day Trader. Welcome to my video series, Making a Trader. This video series is going to be basically about my weekly recaps, lessons I've learned along the way for the week, what my progress has been, basically a progress report, and some of my thoughts about my future plans, what's going on. So this is week 2 of my day trading journey. Just a little quick recap. Week 1, I started with $500 and I was doing momentum trades on Webull. Kind of a higher risk, higher reward strategy, like Tim Ross or Ross Cameron or Tim Sykes uses. Did not go super well. 4 red days, 1 green day, lost $180, negative 36%. I know, right? Not very great. But first week of the day trade, right? So what do you expect? Did learn some lessons along the way, like over trading, things like that. I definitely over traded the first week. Week 2, I was down to $320. I had $80 in my account to reset my balance to $400, and I went with a simpler trading strategy. Day trade ETFs, which you can trade for. The strategies I've been using for that, you can day trade for regular day trading stocks like Microsoft and Tesla and things like that if you want to. Was a lot less stressful, okay? So at the end of the week, I think I'm down to like $11 loss. So definitely a big loss. The first week lost 180. Second week I only lost 11. So very different strategy, a lot less risk. The first week strategy had momentum. You have to, have a stop loss of 10-20%. With a newer strategy that I'm testing out, not exactly super new, it's just a strategy used before. A lot less risk, so you just risk 1 or 2% of your account. I am using 100% of my account for each trade for that week. Ideally, you'd want to be doing 2 or 3 trades a day. Your first trade might go against you, then you take a second trade. But for right now, this first week, I just wanted to do 1 trade a day, see how it went. So I had 2 green days, 2 red days. So progress for me, right? The first week I only had 1 green day, second week 2 green days. One was kind of a break even, move myself up to break even plus. But for me it's a win, right? Because for one, I lost significantly less money I did the first week. Day trading was $180. Week 2 only lost $11. So progress, right? And this channel, if you're obviously probably new to it because everybody is, I just started. This is not about teaching you how to day trade. I am going to be sharing the strategies I use, showing you every single trade that I take, live. My plan is to have 4 videos a week. So one's going to be a recap of my 5-week trades live, edited down to just show you the highlights. Second video is going to be like this, Making a Trader series, where I sit down and talk about things that I did right, things that I did wrong, and then I'm going to try to do a couple of videos about my mindset, tips and things like that, or strategies, how to set up Webull. But so far, second week, I think I'm doing okay, right? Like I have lost money, I haven't hit my stride yet. This is the part of beginning day trading where you figure out what kind of day trader you want to be, what system you want to use, right? So lessons learned, the high momentum strategy is probably not going to work out for me. Something that will keep my wheelhouse, and maybe once I get my account bigger, I can just kind of do some of those trades throughout the day, but very, very small part of my account. If you are new to day trading and you want to kind of see what it's like to be a day trader, definitely please subscribe to this channel. I think you'll get a lot of value out of it. I am going to be posting videos no matter what, win or lose. If I blow my account 20 times before I get successful, that's okay, because my goal is to become a profitable day trader, quit my job. I am a server at a restaurant here in St. Augustine, Florida. My goal is to quit my job in 18-24 months. So I'm giving myself plenty of time to kind of figure everything out. I am not a 100% newbie. I have day trading off and on for it, but I've never ever been profitable, guys, ever, more than like 2 weeks. So my first goal, real goal, is just to kind of figure out what I'm doing and kind of get back into the groove of things. Second goal is to just have more green days than red days, right? So whether I'm profitable or not, at the end of the month, that's my first goal. Not for 1 month goal, but just to have more green days and red days. And then we'll go from there, try to build on. But if you are, a new trader or an experienced trader, just let me know in the comments below. Like, tell me what you think. Like, if you think this is something you might be interested in, follow me along my journey, seeing if I can become profitable, or if it's an epic fail. Either way, this journey is going to be documented. And again, my name is Rob Thomas, day trader. I probably should have called it Ruby Day Trader, but you have to kind of set the bar up there. If you want to be a professional trader, you have to act like a professional trader, right? So that's kind of the purpose of this channel, is to give myself accountability, to put myself out there, every single trade that I take, what I'm feeling, what the process is going through. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing my journey and figuring out if I can make it to, one of those traders that make $1,000 a day, that's, I'm not trying to make $1 million a day trading, but I'd like to get my account up to $30,000 and then, make a few grand a week. Hey, I'll be happy. I can retire off that, right? So if you want to go along for the journey with me, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what your thoughts are so far. This is week 2 of Making a Trader. There's going to be plenty of videos coming up. Probably a lot of epic fails, honestly. But I do feel optimistic for next week. So going into next week, my trading plan is, I'm probably not going to put any more money into it this week because I'm still close to that $400 mark. So I'm just going to day trade that strategy of trading the ETFs, which I'm trying to focus on 4 ETFs right now, which is the SPXL, SPXS, and then SOXF1SX. The SP series, they follow the SP 500, and the SOs, they follow semiconductors, but they both kind of move in similar ways. It looks like right now the SOs kind of have a little more movement, so I'm probably going to try to day trade those. But join me next week, guys. I'll probably be posting a video Friday or Saturday showing my updates of week 3 live trades. So come back and join me then, guys. Thank you so much. Again, Rob Thomas, Day Trader. Please subscribe to the channel, help me grow, and let's see where this thing goes. Welcome to Rob Thomas, Day Trader.